Found a deer path. Somebody was sleeping here. I don't blame them if they have nowhere to live. Here, let me go first. I'm filming this. Cut off a major path. Deer jumped through. I turned my camera on. Here's a marker here. Check this out. There's a hole up here. Somebody might be living in it. I don't know. And I don't want to disturb anyone. If it's all I had, I'd be here too. There's deer. There's deer back there. See, there you go. Ooh, there's a lot of them. Look at them all. Jeez. They have nowhere else to go. Oh, it looks like a little waterway. It's a neat spot. So these are mostly deer trails, but I'm sure people use them. Not too much. They don't look like they've been worn. And the deer jump back into here. It's a very windy day. Alright, so that's about it. Interesting. I'll cut back now. What the birds are calling. Oh, I see knotweed. I see knotweed back here. I'm gonna remember it for next time. Hold on. Gets knotweed back in there. I'll mark it. Very windy. Alright, gotta go. Oh, to top it off, there's a suitcase here. Looks like it's nothing but a mosquito farm now. Mosquito breeding suitcase. That's what it is, a suitcase. Alright, we'll get out of here. These old vines here. Old vines. Let me get in front of you. Let me get in front of you. Look at these tight trees. Is that arrowwood? I don't know. Loads of berries that are not in season. And we'll come out into the main path. Grass reeds. Old railroad track. Old railroad track. Road. Wow, goes all the way down here. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. Wow, and here's the end of the railroad. The brake line or whatever you call it. Check it out. Goes all through the woods here where we just came from down there. Comes up. Look at that. And it stops here. Wow. Yep, it stops right there. The last of the goldenrods of the year, because as you can see, it's fall. Alright, I'll finish it off with some shots. There's a bee. There are lots of bees and wasps. They're hanging on with the wind today. Biggest wasps I've ever seen. There we go. I'm just going to get some brilliant color on here to use up the rest of this video. So great to be out. There it is. I get the last shot of this one here. There's that bumblebee. The Bee is bumbling while I am stumbling. Where you at? Okay. Thank you for the show. And now we're gonna go. Once again, where are they? There they are. I can't be left alone. I just can't be left alone. Alright. Duck in cover.